The SHARK RV2410WD Robot Vacuum&Mop is a versatile cleaning device that combines powerful suction with sonic mopping to tackle both carpets and hard floors efficiently. With its Matrix Clean technology, this robot vacuum provides thorough cleaning by making multiple passes over dirt and debris, ensuring no spots are missed. The sonic mopping feature scrubs hard floors at 100 times per minute, offering an exceptional solution for removing stubborn stains. Equipped with precision home mapping and 360-degree LiDAR vision, it effectively navigates and adapts to changes in your home, cleaning both day and night. This smart device allows hands-free control through voice commands with Amazon Alexa or Google Assistant, making it convenient to set cleaning schedules or initiate on-demand cleaning. Designed with pet owners in mind, it effortlessly picks up pet hair and eliminates pet messes, thanks to its self-cleaning brush roll and robust suction capabilities.